So often in today's time, people have this notion that long screen hours is the primary cause of back pain in busy working professionals, but this is actually the half truth. In today's video, I am going to share with you this concept on a deeper level and also going to give you a solution that how you can really prevent your body, yourself from regular aches and pains and especially the back pain. Now, there is a very strong universal concept. This concept is called use it or lose it. Now, if you have any ability with yourself and if you are not really utilizing that ability of yours over a period of time, what will start happening is you will start losing that ability. For an example, you went to school, learn a concept of, you can say, Pythagoras theorem or any XYZ concept which you must have learned, but you are not implementing it in your day-to-day life. Over a period of time, what will start happening is that we will start losing that concept from our memory because it is not used. And this is how we have been evolved from our ancestors. At that one point of time, we were having tail and we were not using it, and today we evolved and we are not having tail anymore. Yeah, if you see even in the objects in the outside world, take an example of a bag. So a bag is kept for 3, 4, 5 years, and after 5 years you take out that bag, immediately you will feel that most of the chances that that bag won't be of a good use. Yeah, it will start deteriorating and you will find that it has lost its ability with respect to another bag which is used every day, will be in good utilization condition. So I hope this concept has gone deep. If it has gone deep, I've gone deep in the chat box, and let's now understand that how we can really activate and use all the muscles in our daily life just by this simple technique, which is going to stimulate and energize each and every muscle, each and every cell of the body. And the best part is, if you are doing this technique every single day, you can avoid aches and pains for rest of your life. Now this technique is do along technique. So from now onwards, I will be recommending you that you just follow and do this technique, and just doing it for around 2 minutes, you are going to feel a complete shift in your body's energy level and overall cells in the body. So let's do this body tapping technique. Start tapping your hands. Now what happens is, when we are touching different cells of our body, we are tapping different cells, so we are energizing them, we are stimulating them. So as a result of it, what starts happening is there is a sudden flow of energy happening. We have been applying this principle many a times in our life, consciously, subconsciously. Even if you must have seen, when you get some injury, suppose you are walking and just suddenly fall down, or a child fell down, what is the first thing? You go and rub the area affected. Yes? So this is that powerful. Now coming on the chest, can make some noise, enjoy it. Activating the chest muscles. Now let's come on the abdomen area, activating the muscles in the abdomen, tapping. So it is very gentle tapping. We are not putting any pressure or force, just tapping back of our body on the lower back area, tap 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 tap, then the upper back, tap 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 tap. So instantly muscles get activated and blood starts flowing, energy starts flowing. And sometimes the cause of pain can also be stuck energy. So when you touch that area, you are able to release the stuck energy and get rid of pain. On the head, gently on your forehead, massaging your face, your neck. Now let's come on our thighs. Let's tap our thighs. Right thigh, right knee, Tap, 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 tap. Calf muscles, feet. Now left thigh, left knee, left calf muscles, left feet. Tap, 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 tap. So now just close your eyes for some moments and just observe the shift in the energy. Definitely you must have found sudden shift, and with the more practice, more awareness, you will be able to perceive it more. So instantly our body starts feeling a gush of energy throughout, and this is very easy yet very powerful tool, technique, and if you will be implementing it, and you can implement it anytime during the day, morning when you wake up, before going off to sleep, during the time when you are sitting, just in between the breaks, and suddenly you will find complete shift in body's energy level, a complete flow and synchronization energy taking place in the body. So if you wish to have a goal of a healthy back and a happy life, you can sign up for a session with me. The link is under this video. You can enroll for the link and you can get me on the live session, and I'll be glad to help you on your journey towards a healthy back in the shortest time possible as a busy working professional. And if you loved this video, if you found it useful, like it and share and subscribe to the channel so that you are getting such amazing useful tips which can help you to improve your overall well-being as a busy working professional. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. See you in the next video.